Well, let's look at the Vector 1200 amp jump starter. You can jump off your car, you can jump off your lawnmower. I've used this several times on my lawnmower. I had to jump off my wife's car whenever the battery died on it. It's also, you turn this on and you've got an LED light on the back, so you can even do it in the dark. We use these AC ports right here when the power went out, and we used that right there as well to charge up our phones. But we hooked up a lamp when the power went out for several hours one night, and I mean it stayed off for like 5 hours, and we still had power left on this jump starter. So then you got an air compressor and a nice little compartment in the back where you can put your tire gauge, anything you want back there really. So then you push the air button and you bump it up to the PSI that you want to pump in your tires. And I'm telling you, it don't take long at all. I helped a guy out at Publix Shopping Center to pump up his tire, and it was flat on the ground. It took like maybe 5 minutes, and it was like totally flat. So yeah, and I've used this thing a lot, especially on my lawnmowers. And it's simple to use. And to charge it, all you do is you plug it up. If you're interested in one of these, there'll be a link in the video description down below. Go check it out.